Not funny. Right, Jason.
In a moment, if only we got the camera running, I'm going to show you Kev's little accident he's just had, and I'm going to recreate it for you.
Purely for filming purposes.
What have we got, Kev?
My claims in the post.
What have we got?
We've got a Volkswagen. Volkswagen
Transporter.
Transporter. And it's a 2020.
2020. This is going to be round about 43 to 45,000 pounds.
You looked at the price.
No, I didn't, Kev. We cut that out.
Oh, right.
Got the little bull bars there. What do you call them, bull bars?
No, they're, what do they call them?
That's why I asked you.
Nerfing bar.
Right.
They're like a rub bar, aren't they?
Yeah, we'll call them rubber bars.
A rub bar, so if you get on any uneven ground, you don't damage the sills.
Now the first thing that comes to my mind, because I think this is a lovely colour, would guess what I thought to my brain? Grotesque grey. It's not grotesque grey.
It's just a bit darker than your beard.
Keep on about my beard, you're jealous, aren't you? You're jealous, eh?
It'll be white enough for Christmas, so.
Ho, ho, ho. Right. Loving the colour.
Yeah. Quite a nice colour, actually.
Yeah. It's mysterious grey. Don't you think? Mysterious grey.
What do you reckon, Lily? I reckon it's grey.
Slippery grey.
No, people are all going to ask who Lily is now, aren't they? Everyone's going to say, who's Lily?
Yeah. She's bad as you, she said whispery grey.
No, slippery, because you fell.
You won't understand, but I'll demonstrate in a bit. So we've got a nice awning, colour coded. Got the awning, wheels.
Not because the awning's black.
Give us some information on it, Kev. Tell us about it.
Right, so it's had 2 owners, 2 litre turbo diesel. It's done 28,000 miles.
Good mileage.
Good mileage. It's got 4 belts and it's 4 berth.
Is it manual or auto?
It's 5-speed manual.
5-speed manual.
It weighs in at 2,800 kilograms.
Okay.
And it's 4.9 metres long.
So just come round the front and have a look at this. It's a good looking van, this is, you know. Don't you think?
Yeah.
That's a good looking van.
Got personalised number plate.
Hasn't it? So we've got the blacked out smoked windows.
Sliding opening window.
Yeah, we've got the pop top roof. And then shall we have a look at the back?
No, I don't want to look at the back. I've bad vibes about the back.
So earlier on, Kevin thought, because we were taking thumbnails, so Kevin thought he'd sit on here. Kevin thought he'd sit on here.
But somebody hadn't fastened it up right.
But the lever was down. So as he sat down here, it's a very high speed. Let me recreate this for you. This dropped like so. And Kevin slid off onto the floor. And we both rushed around, completely concerned about him.
Yeah. Climbed in the post.
And the moment we found out it was all right, we nearly both wet ourselves laughing. So that's why we were laughing at the start of the video, because that's what Kev did. So let's get back on with the video, Kev.
Yeah.
So, seat to the back. Obviously, this is going to make into the bed.
Part of the bed, yeah.
Part of the bed.
As long as it's locked in place.
Bit of storage there. Bit of storage down there. And then we've also got a bit of storage there.
Yeah.
Yeah. What I am noticing, we've got the table here. I take it that's going to be for inside, isn't it?
Yeah.
Basically. So, I don't know why I've done that.
I know, because you can't put it up there.
So, good little spot for it though, isn't it?
Yeah, they usually be out driver's seat.
Yeah.
Getting away a bit there.
So we'll make a way.
Nice alloys, nice alloy wheels.
Now this is nice, Kev.
Like a gentleman's club, isn't it?
Isn't it? Yeah. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the pop top. So we undo the straps like so.
You know when they say something's no frills? Eh? You say it's no frills, you know, oh, it's no frills. This is frills. Got frills.
I got frills and then multiply.
Don't give up your day job.
No, I won't, Kev. So if you have a look, pop top's going up.
And then you've also got a double bed up there, it does sleep
Yeah,
for.
just hang on, Kev. This will lift up. Ow! up there like so. And then I'm just opening these so we can then get a bit of light into it. We're starting to like these vans, Kev, aren't we?
Yeah, I think we need gas struts on that, Jason.
I think we possibly might do. We're always putting struts on these, aren't we?
Yeah.
Right, so what have we got? Lights. That's nice, isn't it?
I like the background.
Do you like this one? So from a younger perspective, is this something you go camping in? You would? Yeah, good. Right.
Do you like the brown leather?
The old fashioned.
The clue, these videos, what we do is we sell campervans.
Yeah.
And what we do, Lil, we create videos where people watch them and we say how good they are and how nice they are and everything.
And then people come and buy them.
And they buy them, they go, oh, lovely.
Then your dad has plenty of money to spend on you.
And then what happens is then, like he says, I do without and everything. But if we made these videos and like we told them how crap it was and how rubbish the van was.
Just not for me.
I think that's because Spence have just gone down at me.
I like the top.
The frills.
This?
It's like hippie.
Put a complete down on everything now, haven't it?
We'll forget this one then, eh?
Right, let's get back to being serious now, because we are a serious channel. We do serious motoring.
Very serious, yeah.
No, I do. I like the splashback. Do you like the splashback?
Yeah.
Thank God for that. I like the splashback. We've got 2 burner hob, sink, and what we are getting is heating in the van as well, which is always a big bonus with these Volkswagens.
The vents there where the heating comes out.
Heating, and we've got a leisure battery under there. The seats, well, the seats swivel, Kev.
The seat swivel, yeah.
Now you did have practice on the last van, so let's see if you can actually do this one.
Oh, it's got loads of buttons on this one.
It's strokey, it's not cow.
So this one's got lots of buttons. Not that one. Oh, I don't know. See this?
It's not that easy, is it, when you're doing the reviews, are you? When all you're doing is just holding the camera.
No, because the button, it didn't say it. Reclined it, that. It said it swiveled it.
I can see the swivel from here.
Is it on your side?
No, that's the, so it's definitely swiveled.
Oh, definitely swivelled, but there's 3 knobs.
No, there's 2, Kev.
There's one trying to swivel it, one sat in the back talking. Look. See? This says,
Come here. Get this seat back. Come here. I'll put that back up.
look, that one there, right? What does that do?
That?
Yeah.
Lifts that up like
Yeah,
that.
right. But what does it? Not that easy, is it? See? Which one was it? Which one?
That one there.
Well, what is that? I was trying them. And look, that one there, look. Look, it's got an arrow that way and an arrow that way. Would you say that made it swivel?
Yeah.
Yeah, you would, wouldn't you? See?
So the seats swivel, Kev, do they?
The seat swivel, yeah.
Okay. We're getting a compressor fridge.
Yep.
So, do you want to explain to people what a compressor fridge is, Kev?
Compressor fridge runs off 12 volt. It doesn't run off gas, so it's not a 3-way fridge. It runs off 12 volt, but they're very efficient fridge. They don't use a lot of battery power, and they get cold very quickly and then retain the coolness, so they're not on all the time. So they are a very good fridge. And even if the van's not level, a compressor fridge will work. Whereas a 3-way fridge, which relies on liquid to flow around, it won't. So, very good fridge.
Can you just drag it out a bit longer while I work out how to do the fridge?
I'll just drag it
out
out.
to the bed. Right,
Just
to the
drag it
bed.
out.
So we've got a lever here. That comes over for the bed, like so. Yeah.
Yep.
We've got, that drops down. That's easy peasy lemon squeezy, isn't it?
Isn't it? Yeah.
I'll tell you what, that's comfy.
The back one was comfy till I fell off it.
So again, what we do, we lift up here, that brings that around. We've got a lever again that slopes. Now this is fixed in position, Kev, this seat is.
Yeah,
It doesn't move or anything like that.
don't traverse.
And that goes around. Again, we've got more storage here. I like that, that's cute, isn't it? A little cute thing there. And then below, we've got the freshwater tank. And then we've got our enclosed gas. Now, as you've been a retired gas man, is that right and how it should be?
Yep, it's metal, it's got a lip. Yep, it's got a seal on it.
And that's how on the conversions this should be on the gas. So we're happy with that, that's nice and safe and everything else.
It's piped up in rigid pipe work, not just use a hose.
So as you said, it's a Euro 6 this is, Kev, 2 litre turbo diesel. 4 berth, 4 belted seats. I'll just show you above it actually. So if you just see above there, good size sleeping area above, easily 2 people above there.
It's a double bed,
Yeah. So now you've got your typical, what are these? Oh, we are touch, any more here, touch lights as well. What we didn't show you is the cab. I really like this cab there. We've got a bit of a sporty steering wheel. We've got the manual gearbox, and then we've got like the little media pack in there as well. That's really nice.
2 armrests on the seats.
So there we have the VW Campervan. Transporter T6, T28, that's normally the weight, isn't it? Yeah, 2,800 kilograms.
You can clean up as well.
4.9 metres long. Blown air heating, media pack. We've got the Apple CarPlay, Victron Smart Charger on it. This is a nice campervan for somebody, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
The added bonus is, nice campervan, isn't it? See?
Good character.
It's got character.
Yeah, character.
There you go, character. Won't be needing you soon, are they? We've got the heating on it, which is always a big bonus, isn't it?
Yeah.
But dead simple bed to make out. Your typical VW. We've got cracking mileage on this as well, 28,000 miles, and I say it's on a 2020 it is.
Yeah.
So there you have the VW Campervan. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe.